Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. 60 word per minute English dictation. Ready? Start. The question whether certificate of eligibility in terms of the resolution referred to above should continue to be issued by this department or whether any delegation can be made in this regard has been examined in the context of the present policy to maximize delegation and to reduce delay in appointments. Full stop. It has now been decided that the certificate of eligibility should, in future be issued by the ministry itself, full stop, which is administratively concerned with the post where the candidate is likely to be appointed on the basis of the information referred to in para 2 above being received from the authorities concerned, full stop. A form of the certificate to be issued is also enclosed, full stop, in the case of appointments under the public sector undertakings. This department have already stopped issuing such certificates, full stop, according to the instructions issued by the Ministry of Finance. It is for the respective public sector undertaking to issue the certificate of eligibility after completion of the formality of verification of character and antecedents of the candidate and keeping in view the procedure followed by the government in respect of government employees, full stop, on the analogy of the orders issued by the ministry, stop.